In this video, I'm going to show you a trick that can help you to set up your external drive so you can use it between Windows and Mac without having to install software or buy any plugins. As a content creator, you're going to run into this problem at some point. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your drive, whether you're using an external SSD drive or you're using these bulky old external hard drives. It doesn't really matter. Even if you're using a USB flash drive like this one, which is like 64 gigs and above, actually, if you don't have one of these and you have an iPhone, I would actually recommend getting one. I'll leave a link in the description. So let's switch to the Mac because it is important that you do this on a Mac instead of a PC. Okay, so now that we're on a machine, one thing you need to pay attention to is if you have data on an external drive, make sure you back up the data. But this doesn't apply to you if you're using a new external hard drive that doesn't have anything. So I would recommend, if you have data, create a folder, copy everything that's on the external hard drive, put it in that folder so that you don't lose stuff. So next thing, open up Spotlight and search for disk utility. Now on the left hand side, you can see that we have external. So select that external hard drive that you have connected. Now if you look at this external hard drive that I've connected, it has a NTFS, which is a Windows file system. Now this means that with this hard drive I can copy files, but I can't transfer files from a Mac to this hard drive. So that's what we need to change. Now in order to change this, we're going to have to format this drive. That means we're going to have to lose information that's on this hard drive. Okay, so now that you know that, we're going to go ahead. At the top you will see the erase option. So we click on that and you can see a lot of options from the drop down menu. But now in the name section, you can name this whatever you want. It doesn't matter what you name it. So I'm just gonna name it my external. And then click on the format. We want to select exFAT. Make sure you select that. And then you can click erase. Now this is gonna format the drive and erase everything. And once it's done, you click done. So I'm gonna click done. And now this drive is ready to be used between Windows and Mac. Make sure you double check that file system is exFAT. So you can see that I can copy files onto this drive. So that's how you do it. Now let's say you have an external drive that only works on Mac and you want it to be able to work on Windows. So I'm gonna open up disk utility. I've plugged in a different device. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the right one, the external. Now if you look at this external, it says AFPS, which is a Mac operating system file system. So you see that when I try to change it to exFAT, I don't see that option listed. That means it's partitioned to work in Mac OS. Now we're gonna change that. So I'm gonna exit out of this and then I will click on the option of partition. That's where you want to go in order to change that file system. So you can see that we have the details about the drive itself, but we also have the option of changing the format, which you would change to exFAT, and then you apply. Now I'm not going to click apply because I have data on this hard drive and I don't want to lose it. But that's how you would change it to be able to use it on a Mac and then on a Windows PC. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed and you've learned something from this video. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this.